Your sibling has always been disturbing you to help him with his simultaneous equation assignment, but you've got things to do. At the end of you watching this video, you would have successfully created a simultaneous equation solver, and also you did it in just 3 easy steps. So without any more waffling, let's get straight to the video. The first step, obviously, is actually writing the HTML skeleton, the code on what we're going to be building on to create this equation solver. So let's get to my laptop screen and do that right now.
So currently right now, I've actually written the HTML code as well. I've actually written the HTML boilerplate. I've written the JavaScript and I've written the CSS. So what I'm going to be doing is actually writing the HTML. So let's just get that over with. So let me just create each one. Yes, I'll call it simultaneous equation. Let me just copy this thing as well. I'm a lazy programmer. Yeah, programmers usually copy text. They don't usually repeat themselves. The next one I'm going to be doing right now is actually writing the div dot first. I'll show you when song I'm doing right now. Don't worry. So div dot first. This is it. So I'm actually going to be writing. In the simultaneous equation solver, you have a variable first. You have the coefficient. You have variable, you have plus or minus anyone, you have a operation, a sign, and you have another variable, you have another. Let me just explain. Let me just this input type text. This text I'm going to write in there. No, it's going to be writing number. Yeah. So I'm going to give this an ID because we're going to be using it in the JavaScript. Don't worry, we'll get to that stage. So input.text, input type. This second one is input. This one will be text because we're actually going to be giving our user a chance for them to type in whatever variable they feel like typing. Can you imagine that? So let's just do it. So I'm going to be saying this steps are giving an ID of variable 1. Yep. So that's it. Then I've written this one. Let's just say 2x. You need a plus. I'm going to use our label. So label for plus, yes. So that's it. So we're going to write it the next one. So let me just copy the same thing and do it for the next one. I've told the programming is just very easy. You just have to do some things there. So do this like this, and call this variable 2. We could call it variable 2. That's all. I think, but no. Okay, it means something else. Plus, let's just say 2x plus 3y equals. We need equals to. So label for equals to. This will be equals to there, and the last one will not be input. Now this one will be a number, yeah, because it's a number. So input number. This number will now be to be their answer. So we just call this answer 1. Let's just call it answer 1. Or their solution. Let's just call answer 1. So let's see, what will I call this? Answer 1, right? So ID is ID. Sorry, answer 1. That's it. So that's it. So I think we're done for here. I think we're done here. So let's just check what we've got in there. So to see what everything is already looking. You can see it just automatically. It's looking beautiful. So all I'm going to do now, just copy the same thing and do it for the next one. So control, just copy it. I've told you programming is really easy. Just copy the option and paste it back. So that's it. And this one is first. This one let's call it second. So variable x. This one will be x2. This one will be variable 1. Let's just say variable 3. Oh, we don't need variable here. You notice because. Let me just show you what I've got here. Because I've already collected variable from this place. Yeah, I've collected variable from this place and this place. Did you notice something? It's the right x here and the right y here. What else you want to write again? It's always be x and it's always be y. So don't need any ID for that place again. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be erasing that place here. So this place I'm going to be using y2 because we need that place. This one don't need you, so go from here. So this one will be 2, yes, answer 2. So I think we're done here. But next I'm going to do now creating our button. So button, this one will be solve. Yeah, we solve. Yeah. So what I'm creating our paragraph tag. This will be that's what I'm going to be doing. As you can see, simple. Although with HTML, but we still have some magics to do here. So now stay tuned.
If you noticed, it is not actually fine, it's not beautiful, and that is where CSS comes in. So step 2 is actually styling what HTML has already done. It's actually styling it. That's what we're going to be doing now. So let's get to my system and do that.
So since I've linked it to my CSS file, so this is what I'm going to be doing now. I'm going to start styling it. So now let's get started. First what I'm going to be doing first is this margin 0 auto. Everybody knows this 0. Yes, that's it. So I'm going to now be styling all these things each one by one. So input color. As you all know, I love blue, but today I'm going to be using yellow. So I put like that. Color, that's it. So outline, none. Padding 3 em. Yeah, that's good. So width, say 10 em. So let's now see what I've got in there. So you can see it looks beautiful. Just looks beautiful. Too much beautiful. So now let's style the label also. So label, font size. I think font size should do what I'm looking for. What I'm actually looking for. So let's see. I think that's looking good. That's looking good. So what else I'm going to be doing now? Now let's select this div. So I give it color. Okay, but I do not give it bikini. Wait, let's see. Oh, that's what the color is working for. It's bold I wanted to give it. Sorry, it's bolder. Yup, maybe 2px solid hash ff0. That's it. But I think that's looking good. Let's get some border radius. It just say 10px. I think that's looking good. This background color is not making sense. It's not making sense. So body, background color, hash 000. I think that will bring everything. I think that will also make everything come outside. Is this good? So let's just continue. Let's make this one. It's not really looking that too much good. Too much great. So the div. I'm going to be creating a margin to create some space in between them. Margin, let me just give it some space. Margin bottom. I give margin bottom. Let me just imagine top bottom. Let's just 10px. Let's see what that does. Yup, I think that's looking kinky. It's looking great. It's looking kinky. The next one we're doing now. I think that's looking great. So let me do this one. It's just been on my hair. Yes. I think that's looking great. It's looking great. So you can just have 2, 3. Let's increase the font size of this one also. Let's just make extra large. So let's see. That's too big. So extra large is too big. Let's just make it large. This is also big. Let's just make it medium, maybe. Medium. I think this is good. Just write Y. Yep, it's good. So this is what I'm actually going to be doing now. So let's style this and that. So everything can make sense. So H1, color, as you all know, is going to be what? Guess it is here. It's going to be yellow. Yes, it's going to be yellow. Yes, and that's the text align center to make everything look great. Yup. So I want to use this font. I want to use Mr. Beast font. So font family, yes. The font family for Mr. Beast is Comica Axis. That's what I'm using. So that's it. Oh, it does not look too great. It does not look too great at all. It does not fit coding at all. Does not fit coding at all. Let's look at another font family. Cursive, let's see cursive and we copy. Let's see copy. Oh, this makes sense. This looks more of coding, like, you know, what I'm saying right now. So the button, print button comes to the center. Text align center, please come to the center. I just like the way they've just came to set. Let's just do this button, give normal. Let's see. I think this piece comes with its own taboo. No, so okay, it's not in the div here. So let's just make this one to be inside the div. Inside the div dot on. Let's see. Oh, it's at center. Thank God. So you can see this is looking beautiful. I think it's looking beautiful. Let's just start the button, padding. Let's just say 10px. No, I don't need that one. So let's just 5px, 20px. Let's see what that does. That doesn't do much. So let's just font size. I think that does great. So let's increase this. 10, 30. Let's see. So let's just see the background color. Yep, yes, color would now be black. Yes, it's already black already, so I don't need that. So yes, border it will be 0px. That's it. I don't want anybody to be there. So what I'm going to do now is, you already know that border radius is so simple. Border radius, yep. Let's just say 30px. Yep. I think that's all we need here. So I think everything's looking clear. Let me just see if I can make this background color to be black back. Let's see how that will go. Does it look great like this? I think it does. It looks great like this. So let me just make that P something. Yep. So let me just make this P color yellow. Yep. Color yellow. No, not black. Yellow. Yes, that's it. Yep. Everything's looking kinky. So the next thing we're going to be doing right now. Wait, the label. I've forgotten the label. So color. Yellow. Yes, yellow. Yep. So the next one I'm going to be doing right now is actually writing the JavaScript. What is going to be doing everything for us. So stay tuned.
So if you notice, if you click on the button right now, it's actually not working, and that's because we have not added the JavaScript, and that's in step 3. Step 3 is actually adding JavaScript and making everything all work together, making x plus y equals z, x plus clinical equals that, and that is where the magic is. So let's dive in and get that thing done.
Now to begin the magic, I'm actually going to be selecting all that is inside this HTML. I'm going to be selecting it. Let me just show how I'm going to be doing that. So I'm going to be selecting let a equals to document query selector. Yup, that's it. I told you that I'm going to be needing this. I'm going to be needing this variable here. I told you, so I'm going to be using it here. So x. Yup, that's it. Just copy the same thing. I've told you, coding is very interesting. I just have to do some copy and paste and just get it. That's it. This one, you want it to be 3 before y. Yes, you got it. Yup, you got it. So a b for c. Wait, let's see. For c, let's see. A b. So c will be this answer here. So that's it. So Control C, Control V. So this will be. Let me just first change this one to C first. So if anything happens, so that's one. So what I'm going to do next now is creating this variable. You don't actually need it, but just want to use it for in the final stage. So let's variable one equals to document dot query selector down bound. Now that's there. So let's just copy this. We're going to be using these things. That's what I use. That's what Control Z, Control C, Control V. I'm going to be using these things. That's what we're writing them there. If I'm not going to be using, I'm going to be writing them there. So I'm going to be using it. So as we are reading their minds, or reading a younger brother's mind, so it's going to be very interesting. So for the X2, it does the same thing, but this will not be. These are ABC. This will not be D, E, F, G. You understand, like that. Let me just copy the same thing. Let me just copy it. You know, I've done this thing before, so and I know I've done this place before, so let me just copy everything. I'm just going to change this thing, some things there. So let's see. That's it. So this one will be A, B, C, D, E, yup, F. Yeah, that's it. This will be X2 plus Y2. This Y2, this answer 2. I think that's it. So let's see. This is answer 2. X goes to Y2. That's all. So right now I've selected almost everything. I've selected this, and this. I've selected them. So when you select the button and select this P also, let's answer. Let's display answer equals to document or query selector. What would I call this? I give it. And I didn't even give it a class. That's more interesting. Because most times I usually give it a class. I don't think I give the person a class. Let me just call it. So btn equals to document dot query selector. Yeah, that's it. And button. Yes, we've gotten it. Button. Yep. So that's it. So what I'm going to do now is actually doing the add event list now. As everybody all knows, I hope this is not boring. Because if it's boring, please, you have to just do the hard work. So as your brother will not disturb you again. Sorry, your brother or sister will not disturb you. You have to just do the hard work. Quickly do the hard work so I do not disturb you again. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to be selecting the I'm going to be using them. Let's just see that. So to solve this, I'm going to be using this rule called Cramer's rule in further mathematics. And I think in mathematics also. So Cramer's rule I'm going to be using this is that once we get the determinant of all these coefficients, then let's do that one first. So get the amount of all these coefficients. So let's just say this is, so let's just say for A equals to a dot value times F. You know this is A, B, C, D. Is it E? Okay, that's okay. E, F. This is E. So we're going to multiply this one by this one. We've gotten this A value times E dot value. Value. That's it. So let's for B equals to this is A, B, this is A, so this will be, this is B, I mean A, B, yes, this is B times A, B, C, D. So this is B dot value times this is D, A, B, C, D dot value. Yes, that's it. D dot value. So having done that, next I'm going to be doing right now is actually finding the determinant. So we'll just call that one ground. So let's ground, because I'm going to be using it a lot. So let's ground equals to 4A minus 4B. That's it. Minus 4B. No, 4B. That's it. So that's it. I'm going to be using this thing right now. I'm going to be using it. Just stay with me. I'm going to be using it seriously. I'm going to be using it. So to not get X now. This is what I'm going to be doing. We'll put get for X. You know that if you are using X, if the person is using X or Y, no matter. But to get for the answer for the coefficient for what it will be this place here, all we're doing is that we'll be replacing these coefficients by these things here. We're replacing by the answer here, by the answer they give here. So now I'm going to be doing right now. So I'm going to be saying let for let x1 equals to c dot value. I think that's it. So times e dot value. You got it. Let me just copy it. It's too stressful to write it again. It's too stressful. So that's it. So let x2 equals c d e f. I think it's a b c d e f. So it's f. So f dot value. It's too stressful to copy. It's just able to write something. Then just copy it and paste it there. So that's it. So what I'm going to do now, find the terminal for this one. Let's x data equals to x1 minus x2. Simple as that. So now we now say that just as simple as that. So to now get everything together, I'm not going to be getting this x determinant divided by the ground. That's x. That's for x. Do the same thing for y. That's just so simple like that. So let's for x equals to x data divided by ground. Yep, it's ground. Yep, that's it, and that's done. It's done. We're done with x. So I'm going to just copy the same thing and do it for y. Simple as ABC. Just so simple as that. So let's for let's see, let y1 equals to, now I told you we're going to be putting this value of this, we're going to put in this value here, I'm going to put in it here. Now I told you that, so that's it. This is c dot value, I think c dot value times what I'm going to be using here, let me just take it. So this is c dot value here, c dot value abc, c dot value here times this one here. This is a b c, this d, yes, minus d dot value times b dot value. Yup. So let y2 equals to, so this will be c d e f, so this f dot value times let's see, this will f will be here, so f dot value times this, hold on, no mistake, this times this, it's this times this first. Oh, so I've done a mistake here. So I think I've done a mistake here. So this times this, I'm not doing a mistake, is it correct? This times this, yes, but this one minus this one, it's just like so. This is a times a dot value times this one times this one, so that's this one, this is a b c d e f, this f dot value, yes, value. So what I'm going to do now is actually y minus y, so let's for x data y data, this will be y data, you've gotten it, you're just so intelligent, equals to y2 minus y1. It's very boring, but you just have to just do this thing so as you would not disturb you again. Just watch it again, you would not disturb you again after this one. Just trust me. So I think after that's done, that's what we're going to be doing. Because you have just gotten it. Let's for y equals, that's where you're just getting it. That's all. Let's for y equals to the y data divided by ground. You see, you are just getting it divided by ground. Yep, it's ground. Yep, that's it. So I think after this now, what we're going to do now is just actually look up them together inside that display answer. So display ans dot inner html equals to, so let's just try something. So the value of, when I say we're going to be using this variable, you can see we're using it right now. I told you we're going to be using it, so I'm using it right now. So this is plus this dot value plus equals to, no, is yes. So I think that the value of this variable dot value, the variable that we put the dot value is, now see plus what's the value, what do we get here for x? That's it. See, I'm telling you, it's just so simple. So now do the same thing for the y. So plus and the value of plus control V, yep, variable 2. We've gotten it. That's why it's just as simple as this. Plus for Z, Abby, for Y, yes, we've gotten this. Value of okay for is okay, so I missed the is. So is so that's it plus 4y, and that's it. We're done. We are done. Let's just do some tests. This is 2x plus 3y equals to 5. 4x plus 4x plus 5y equals to 9. As you all know, x is 1, y is 1. So let's just see. Why is it showing me 5.5? What's going on? Oh, variable 2 dot value. Let's see the value. Let's see what's wrong here. I think there's a problem with my code here. So let's see. C dot value times E, yes. F dot value. Let's look at this. A B C D E F. So I'll bring this F here. F times is B, and I wrote D. That's it. That's what's wrong here. Supposed to be B here. So I think that's done. So let's now see what we've done here. So for just I've told you just testing x plus 3y equals to 5. 4x plus 6y equals to 10. Everybody knows this. Everybody knows x is 1, y is 1. Let's see whether it's correct. Why is it saying one of the number? Wait. Let's know this. Let's say 2x plus 3y equals to 5. 4x plus 5y equals to 9. So let's see what I've done here. So let's see. You can see the value of x is 1 and the value of y is 1. You just imagine. So you can use this to solve any simultaneous equation you can ever think of. Your brother wouldn't have to disturb you again, and I solved that solution for you. Thank you.
And that is it. That is how you can create a simultaneous equation solver. If you like this video, kindly watch this video you can see here.